To make an easy loopy edge around your blanket or any edge you wish, what you're going to do is you're going to join your yarn and you're going to chain 7. 1. The first one's going to be counting as a single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And then you're going to slip stitch into the same chain space. Then what you're going to do in the next 3 chains is create a single crochet. So under the 2 loops there, the little V, single crochet, into the next, single crochet, and into the next, single crochet. From here, you're going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then into the same chain, you're going to make a slip stitch and pull through. Then into the next 3 chains, you're going to make a single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. Then you're going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then into the same chain, you're going to make a slip stitch to join your loop. So let's have a look. You've got one in the corner there, and then you've got your little loops here. We're going to continue along in this same way. Just rewind the video and if you need the instructions again. So that's a row on one side of our loopy edging. And as you can see, we're back in the corner again, and we've made our loop here and slip stitched in place. And now we're going to create another single crochet into that chain space there. 1, 2 single crochet and 3 single crochets, and now we're ready to make another loop. So chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into the same chain, slip stitch, and you're ready to keep continuing. So simply rewind and listen to those instructions again, and you can make your gorgeous loopy edging for your blanket.